Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jin Ramen using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients. 1 packet of Jin Ramen, about 2 1/4 cups of water, and any toppings you love. Begin by pouring the water into a small pot or saucepan. Place it on your stove and bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat. This initial step sets the stage for a quick and satisfying meal. Once your water is bubbling intensely, it is time to add the stars of the show. Carefully place the Jin Ramen noodles into the boiling water. Immediately follow by adding the soup base and the dried vegetable mix that came in your packet. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure the noodles are fully submerged and the flavorful seasoning begins to dissolve evenly throughout the broth. This ensures every strand absorbs the rich taste. Now let the ramen cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Keep an eye on the noodles. You want them to reach your perfect level of tenderness. This is also the ideal moment to personalize your bowl. Feel free to drop in an egg, add some fresh vegetables like bok choy, or even a slice of cheese. Stir all your wonderful additions together one last time, allowing them to meld with the savory broth. Your fantastic Jin Ramen is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot into your favorite serving bowl, making sure to get all those delicious noodles and broth. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions, a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. Sit back, relax, and savor every warm, comforting spoonful of your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.